Okay, so if you're like me, you want your tool table here to be like it used to be. I don't want tool 15, then 59, and then what's this? It's not how I use it. Here's my standard mill library. That's not how I'm used to using it. One option, you can go to name and click on that, and it will order them all numerically, and then of course, yeah, there you go, there's your tool numbers listed out first. The permanent option is to go to settings and to set what you want where you want it, and then prioritize it. You can't prioritize name, but you can select tool number. Notice it adds it over here. I don't want it over here. I want that to be like the first thing going on. So we drag it up here. We drag it. It's supposed to be able to drag it. There's how you drag it. Boom. Now number is right after name. The big question is, what happens when we... Oh, I've already got that selected. Let's do this. Yeah, see, it changes again. That's annoying. Fusion360, fix that. Let me right click and say, hey, set this as default. Yeah. Yep. Anyway, so that's redundant and pointless. Just click on the name and it will order them for you. You can also do descending order.